What's going on, everybody? It's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It. I got flies flying all around me. Springtime's here, summertime's here, whatever you want to call it. There's little gnats everywhere. So we're gonna get on this TRX-4 Sport with the tracks on it. And I'm back down here at the crawling course where I did the mud pit with the TRX-4, the ultimate TRX-4's build-off challenge with Axiomatic. Because I'm here in Virginia, there's a lot of the clay red dirt. So a lot of this red dirt is just clay. So I went out and I bought some topsoil and I added it in here, and it's a nice soupy mixture now. So we're gonna see what we can do and see if we can't get this thing stuck with the tracks. And I guess maybe I'll have to grab Willie's and get his with the 2.2s on and see if his will go through this after I do it with this. So all right, let's get to it. All right, let's see what this thing will do. I did dig it out more, so I took the whole clay bottom out of it, so it's pretty deep. See what she'll do. She's deep. Crawling right through it, no problem. Wonder how the tires will do through this. And out she comes, no problem, walk through it. Time to clean a motor. The motor is filthy. Came right out of the side too. Oh, this motor is disgusting. Needs to be cleaned bad. I don't think my tracks down bottom are spinning. She's nice and soupy now. Nice and soupy. Now she's barely making it through there. The tracks are filthy. It's going all the way to the bottom now. Ooh, I'm interested to see if 2.2s will make it through this. So the tracks they're making it, but it's struggling. Struggling. My motor is struggling too. So far, so good. Except for my motor needing to be cleaned, or it's getting ready to burn out. Yeah, it's like the tracks, once they get packed full of mud and all that, I don't know if they need to be tightened up or what, but they will actually stop turning. It's a good testament for the tracks right there. I mean, they did good. They are just filled with caked with mud. All right, so let's go grab Willie's TRX-4 with the 2.2s and see how it does through here. All right, here's a friend of mine's TRX-4 Sport, no lift kit, raised body, flip bumpers with my 2.2s on it, sealed. So the sealed 2.2s might keep it a little bit more buoyant. We'll see. Ooh. Might have found a spot that the tracks will take on a little bit better. This is not coming any further. Nope. It's officially stuck. Oh, I can smell that motor burning. Okay, it was not fair to bring out the Sport with no lift kit on it because the belly of the truck was dragging of the chassis. So I put the 2.2s on my truck with the lift kit, and we'll see how it goes. The water and the mud has settled down, so I'm probably gonna have to come through it once or twice just to break it up again, or not. I just had to do this because I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, the lift kit has a higher ground clearance, the belly pan of the chassis was dragging and all this. So, I mean, here we are. Now all anybody can say is a better set of tires would bring you through this. I don't know. He's doing nothing here. Nope, it's not doing anything. Nothing. It's not going at all. Check out that YouTube. Nothing at all. So there you go. I'm saying Trax, do it. If you got some deep mud terrain to go through, I thought it was going to back out there for a second. But nope. Maybe. Moving a little bit. Nope. Well, it's kind of still moving just a little bit. She might come out of there. I don't think so. She's just spinning. All right, there you go. There you go. My opinion, if you're in some deep mud, you want the Trax. I got mud all over me. Yeah, the Trax, deep mud, snow, sand, anything like that, I feel like that is the ideal spot for Trax, and they definitely make a difference. So I know a lot of people have posted stuff and said, oh, they're not for rock crawling and all that. I never said they were. Never said they were for rock crawling. I bought them for snow, for me in particular. So yeah, snow and a novelty, honestly. You know, the sport is kind of like my little experiment rig. It's lifted 2.2s, now the Trax and all that stuff. So I'm kind of just gonna add whatever I can add to it. You know, just for fun, why not? That's what the hobby's all about. So there's a short little video for you on the Trax versus tires. And deep, soupy mud, I'm saying Trax all the way. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day, morning, noon, night, whatever it is for you. Be good to people. People will be good to you. Ben.